It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes, and I swear, it looks like it's Siberia cold outside. The dogs are ready. I just woke up. Great kiddish today. By the way, I'm getting ready. There's the Florida Contractor's Manual. It came pre-tabbed, and I swear, it even came pre-highlighted. Let's get this done. On Thursday, I was replacing that circulator. You know, the one where the boiler, quote unquote, was overheating for the engineer. And then I went to that guy in Kings Point where I went with the lower bidder. Well, I was fighting with my Ouija Allen keys, and I got these on Amazon. It's Elkland. I bought them, I don't know, it's like $20, but got the long handle T-jump offs right there. It's really nice. It's really nice. But let's go take the dog for a walk because I want to talk to you about something. So I get this email late Thursday night from the Florida State Department of License and Regulation, and they're like, "Congratulations, Mikey Pipes. You're eligible and you're qualified to take the Class A central air conditioning license exam." I'm like, oh no, another exam. I was like, all right, we're gonna get this done. I got some books, got one overnight. I'm gonna start with the Florida business law exam. I think that's gonna be much easier than taking the trade knowledge first. Just thinking. I think it may be, probably not. But what's really nice about the people over there in Florida, you know, they respect people from other states wanting to come down to Florida to make dreams come true, you know? So, I don't gotta travel to Florida. I don't. I just gotta take a test on Long Island or Manhattan, or 2 tests, and I'm golden. Fuck yeah. Scott, you know I'm talking about you, Scott. I'm coming, baby. I'm coming. You're gonna have to move over by Palm Beach and Boca. If you want me to service your air conditioning in Florida. Oh man, it's gonna be awesome. Guys, I just want to get give me a heads up. How many of you want to work for me? I think I'm gonna base shop around Palm Beach, Boca. Maybe as far north as Jupiter. But email me, Mike at mikeypipes.com. How many of you want to come work with a winning team? Email me, Mike at mikeypipes.com. Anyway, it's a great evening. Saturday. Oh, me and the fellas, we had an amazing morning. You know, we started praying to God around 10 o'clock. We got done at 11:05. We started drinking. Come on, guys. Started drinking and eating at around, around 11:05 this morning. And that lasted till like around 1:30 when the last of the hoodlums decided to stumble home. Some I had to wheel home, you know, push home, like pretending they were a 55-gallon drum and just roll them home. I'm sure some maybe got slapped around by their wives. I'm sure, but Stoley, look at baby Stoley. He's such a good boy. Stoley likes going for walks. He'll take a shit in this guy's grass because he's an asshole. Let's take a shit right there in his grass. Yep, because this guy who lives right here, he's an asshole. Yep, he is. Gigi, what about you? See? Fuck it. Keep it real. Keep it real. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Went to sleep around 2 o'clock in the afternoon after walking the dogs. Woke up about 20 minutes ago, and now we're walking the dogs. And speaking of walking the dogs, I got these brand new shoes right here by Brunt. Wow. They are super comfortable. They look like my regular boots that I wear for work, but they're really, 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 really comfortable. And let's see if they can slide on and off. Oh yeah. Yes, they will. Look at that. Oh, you know, if you're doing residential service, they ask you to take your shoes off. Like, let me put my booties on. Nah, slide them, jumps off right off. I don't know anything about this OSHA nonsense. Nothing about OSHA. Who says there's plywood up in that attic next to the air handler. You know there's never fucking any plywood up there. What, are you gonna say, no, I'm not going up there and not do the job? Fuck that, you get the job done. But it'd be really nice if I can enforce that bitch. OSHA approved with a plywood to service an air handler or equipment in an attic. Oh man, that'd be fucking tits. But until then, I can wear my brunch shoes. And no, they're not really a sponsor of the channel. They gave me a few $100 bucks to give them a shout out. They sent me some free boots. But these sneakers, I bought them bitches. Sure did. I'm so comfortable. Those boots are so comfortable. I had to buy me some of their sneakers with the steel tip toes. Oh, it's tits. Link in the description box down below. And by the way, if you need a website for your contracting business, what the fuck you waiting for? Check out Footbridge Media. They'll hook you up. $250 a month. They're gonna hook you up with a website, and then they're gonna make you the website, a digital roadmap, a fucking GPS Garmin for your website. $250 a month. And yes, they're paying me too. A little kickback. But what are you doing, Stoli? What are you sniffing? Stoli! Gigi. Oh man, it's 40 degrees. It feels like it's 40 degrees here in New York, Long Island. Oh, and this guy right here, the guy with passenger plates on a commercial vehicle. Yeah, well, he's still doing unlicensed work, cheating the system. That's right, but it is what it is. Just keeping it real. Right, Stoli? Right, Gigi? Keeping it fucking real. So, right after I woke up, around 6 o'clock, I get a phone call. It's not the office. Forwarding to my cell phone. It's a regular guy. Calls me up and goes, "Hey, Mikey, I got your number from Rocco. Rocco is the same contractor that hooked me up with that Taj Mahal with the indoor pool. You know what I'm talking about. The one where the the outdoor island kitchen sink dumps into the crawl space of this, $10 million mansion. Yeah. So he's in Flushing. He's got a Will McLean Ultra, looks like an Ultra 4. And we're going there tomorrow morning. Yeah, I told him I charge like $1,000 an hour. Plus round trip, boots on, boots off. And he goes, "Come through, Mike. I know you're the best." I'm like, "Bro, I'm far from the best, but I'll give you my best. And I'll give you my all." And do that on every single service call. Set yourself apart from the competition. Set yourself up from the competition. Make moves, get things done. I've been saying this for a while. I want to make the trades great again. No exaggeration. I really do. I want to leave a legacy to the younger generation. Like Daniel and Peter. They deserve it. And their kids deserve it. Together, we can make it happen. I also been saying that the more you know, the more you earn, the more you can charge. Look at that job I did with the zone valves. I put out that video yesterday evening on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel. I think I called it How to Wire a Zone Valve. How to get it done. Zone valves for beginners. Or should I say, zone valve for fucking dummies. Keeping it real, we've all been there. If you're an expert at zone valves, you know what I'm talking about. You weren't an expert at one point, but now you were. And now you are. Just like me. Years ago, I had no fucking idea how to wire a zone valve, but now I do. You know what I mean? And I charged premium for that because I know what I'm doing. All right? And don't forget, learn something new every day. Anyway, just always taking care of some more business in front of another house under construction here. I swear, people in my neighborhood, they must have infinite fucking wealth. Yep. Infinite fucking wealth. Seems like there's Bugattis and Lambos and Porsches. People building upon building upon building in their houses. It's crazy. God bless America. God bless America. Oh, I love me America. But I'm really looking forward to Florida. I really am. I think it's going to be epic. I really think it's going to really be able to make some real big, incredible moves. You know, Conrad kind of distracted me a little bit. Like, come to South Carolina, Mikey. Look at these dogs. Cut it out. Let's walk. You know, but a good thing happened in South Carolina because now I'm licensed there, and yeah, I'm opening up in Charleston, and I'm doing it solo. I got a couple investors together, raised a few $100,000, and we're gonna open up shop. Right now, I'm just thinking about, do I want to lease or do I want to buy and build? That's the kind of moves. That's what moves you're gonna make. Now, this guy right here in this mega Taj Mahal. Well, a lot of my friends don't like him, but I have nothing against him, so I'm gonna pick up Gigi's shit right now. So I picked up the shit, and there's the bag to prove it. And look, the house keeps going on. You can't really see it that much, but looks like a ski lodge. The guy's got a 3-car garage. He's got a Ferrari. Oh, the garage door's open. Oh, the garage door's open. Uh-oh. Don't worry, the neighborhood's pretty safe until the people over there from Queens and the other side of the lake come through and they start doing home invasions. Yep. Anyway, there's a bag of shit. Let me go finish watching the dog, and I'm gonna listen to This Town by that guy. I don't know, Horn guy. Yep. That's all right. That could be gay. I like listening to gay music. It's all good. All right, guys. Signing off. Happy weekend. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. Tomorrow night, for all those who celebrate, happy Hanukkah. Mikey Pipes, St. Mike, signing off.